Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own equalizer preset in your JBL Partybox On The Go 2 speaker. So here, as you can see, we are in our application called JBL Partybox, and once we are here we need to just scroll down till we see equalizer. We need to move here to the right to the custom, tap custom, and here tap edit. Now here we do have here low frequencies, and here we have exact frequency, and mid 1K and high 8K. With going up and down, we can increase the frequencies for this here for each one, and this is the equalizer I've made, which looks nice. Now if we go back, we can see that it's just here, and if we tap at it, it's saved. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.